How to use a Plastigauge. Step 1. Clean all the parts. Step 2. Install your main bearings. Step 3. Install the crankshaft without any oil or assembly lube, but don't rotate it once is in. Step 4. Cut the Plastigauge the same size as the journal and put in on top. Step 5. Install all the main caps and torque them to specs. Step 6. Removed all the main caps. Finally, check and match your Plastigauge to identify your oil clearance.